prelepo je, stvarno prelepo.
Šta je najbolje?
Šta je najbolje? Pa eto, najbolji su ovi novosadski momci. Ako smijem biti... Vidiš?
How you do it in Holland?
No, yeah, no, not all the time. But we like to do it on vacation. We are here because of Jürgen Melzer. Jürgen Melzer is the best player in the world.
You're here for tennis or for the boys and party?
Just for party and for laying down and chilling, relaxing, you know.
And drinking beer.
Vacation and partying.
What is the best thing about Umag?
Jimmy Woo, I think.